Redneck Mukk, peace. So out here with Elvira, and I got a real short project. This should not take long at all. Hopefully everything's plug and play, and I'm going to do a little adjustment, but I'm going to LED headlights. These should look pretty good in these holes. I thought about painting this pitted black. I'm just going to try to clean it. I mean, needs re-chromed or replaced if it's going to look really good, but right now I just want headlights. When I'm driving down the road, I can see, because I drive it a lot and I drive it at night, and you know, I want to be able to see what's going on. And these headlights, not so good. So let's get at it. These are actually glass. I got a gasket right here, whole 9 yards that you can pull apart and clean them all up. I am not pulling them apart today. I'm going to set them out of the way. Get to my headlights. So, my headlights need angled up a little bit. I don't know how well you can see that, but so you got a screw here and a screw here. Upper screw, if you tighten that dude, it'll tighten. Oh no. I might not be able to angle my headlights at all. That sucker's pretty snug. So old headlight versus new headlight. Hopefully it all fits good. We're about to see, it looks like the ring should go down to this piece, and that'll spin forward a little bit. And my pad should be in the same spot. It looks like it is. This guy, same plug and play. So, go. Plug and play. Move the wiring connectors back there. Guy goes right there. This guy goes just like that. Mountain up to go. And I don't want to force it, because if I break that, then the headlight isn't going to have anything to hold it up, and it's going to point way down. So I'm just going to see what that does. So I've lowered my front end a significant amount. I may have to raise it up just a little bit to compensate for how much I've lowered it. So we'll see. I also have some driving lights underneath that works pretty well. But, let's clean these guys up. What do you think? There we go. So that's what the new headlight's going to look like. What the old headlight looked like. I'll get that other one swapped out, hopefully adjusted. If I can turn the adjusters, I'll bring you back in just so you can see. I'm not going to adjust it much, because I've learned that if you adjust much, then you're way off. So just a little bit goes a long way. So anyway. And then I'll be back when we get her back on the ground enough I can turn the lights on so we can see the results. So alright, here's your adjustment screws. Right? This one will go left, right. This one will go up, down. So out, this one will point the headlight more toward the center of the road. In, we'll point it more toward the outside of the road. That's pretty good. I'm going to leave it alone. This guy right here, I made sure he was loose. He's loose. I'm just going to take him about one full turn, and that is going to be enough. and that should put me where I want to be. I don't want to be too high because these new LED headlights are really bright, so I don't want to blind nobody. And right now I'm really low where I've added rake to my car, so my lights are pointing way down. So I didn't do it a bunch, but should be enough. And with the lights being brighter, probably really all I needed. I probably could have got it without adjusting it, but I wanted to adjust it a little bit. So there we go. I'll get this other light installed and we'll see what it looks like when they're done. This headlight bucket wanted to come apart, so you can see the inside. It's got a seal on the back side, and then your glass has a seal on it. This one's got a little break in it, but it's not really so much a break as it was probably already there. Could be a full O-ring, but yeah. So I'll get this all cleaned up and put back on. And those dudes are heavy glass. You could shed 50 pounds off from this car by putting plastic there. Okay, that might be an exaggeration, but they're heavy. That would be low beam. And that would be high beam. So that should hopefully help out. And if you look, I'm gonna flip you around. See the light on my wall? They're really about even. So even though I raised that one a little bit, it's still just about even with this one over here. So that one was a little low anyway. So hopefully that does, and I can see better at night. So it's my goal. Maybe I'll get a video out driving at night before I post this. So there you go. New headlights, working pretty good. A lot better than what I had. Could use a little adjustment yet, but I'll get there. So yeah, Amazon headlights, thumbs up. This has been productive Redneck Mukk. Peace.